This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a printer to a network via Ethernet. First, ensure your printer and network router are both turned on and ready. You will need a standard Ethernet cable. Connect one end to the printer's network port. Then, take the other end and firmly plug it into an open Ethernet port on your network router. Listen for a soft click, confirming a secure physical connection between the two devices. Next, we need to access your printer's internal settings. You can usually find the printer's current IP address displayed on its control panel, or by printing a network configuration page directly from the printer itself. Once you have that 4-part number, open any web browser on a computer connected to your network. Type the entire IP address into the browser's address bar and press Enter to navigate to the printer's web interface. Within the printer's web interface, look for a section labeled Network or Connectivity. It is highly recommended to change the IP configuration from DHCP to static IP address for a more stable connection. Carefully input a unique static IP address, the correct subnet mask, and your network's gateway address. These details ensure your printer has a fixed, reliable location on your network. Now, let's get your computer to recognize the printer. First, download the most current drivers from your printer's manufacturer website, ensuring compatibility with your operating system. Then, open your computer's printers and scanners settings, usually found in the control panel. Choose to add a printer and select the option to add a network printer, often by specifying its IP address. This step installs the necessary software.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.